Hello everybody, it's Bob here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add an arrow drawing in ThinkOrSwim. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go up here to the top right corner, and you'll see where it says drawings right here. You want to click on that, and then you want to click on where it says drawing tools. And now what you will see is you will see all of these different drawing tools. We're going to click on the arrow option right here. And I like to use the arrow option anytime I like buy or sell something. So hypothetically, let's just say that I bought right here. I bought thinking that it's going to go up. So we're going to left click right here to place our arrow, and we have it bought. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we can change the color of the arrow, and we're going to click on this right here. We're going to click on where it says edit properties, and then you can change the direction of the arrows. Oh, that's really cool. You can make it go like you can change the direction of it. So we're going to keep that direction the same, but you can click in this color right here, and you can click on where it says green. We're going to put that green arrow because that's where we bought it at. And then what we can go ahead and do is we can also make it kind of transparent. If you click more right here, you can have all these different color options. And then if you click where it says HSV, you can change the transparency of it. So you can make it a little bit transparent like that. We're not going to do that though. And anyways, you can also change the size. So we're going to make it large instead of medium. Actually, make it extra large so you can see a big difference in it. And then you can also name the arrow. So we're going to just name this spy call right there. And by the way, I did not actually buy right here. I'm just, saying this for the tutorial. Anyways, and then we're going to click where it says, oh, you can also change your value. So if you actually buy it, you can set it to the exact price you bought it at. So right here, let's just say the exact price you bought it at was $574.75. We can just go ahead and change that right there. And then you can also change the date and the time. So if we bought it at 10:27 instead of 10:20 or 10:28.6 instead of 10:27, we can go ahead and change that time right there as well. And so you can also change the date right here. If you click this calendar, you can change the date. But yeah, that's really all you have to do. So far it looks like if we actually would have bought, doing decent. I don't know. But we're going to click OK right here to save the changes, and boom, there we go. We have the changes saved. So as you can see, this arrow is extra large. It's green. And that is why all you have to do in order to draw an arrow in ThinkOrSwim. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.